Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make black and white photos on Pixel 6a. First of all, open your photos and choose the required photo you want to make black and white. Here you can see the option edit on the bottom side. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see the option suggestions, crop tools, etc. Scroll down the tools bar towards right to reach the filters and choose the filters option. Here you can see so many filters. Scroll down toward right to reach the black and white option. Here you can see some of black and white options. Choose your choose the required black and white option for your image and adjust the value of the black and white and tap on the done option. Here you can see the option save copy. Tap on the save copy. Now the image is saved in your device as a black and white photo. By doing this, you can make your images on a black and white look. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.